Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The fictitious 2026 Jaguar VIP Motorhome is a revolutionary entry into the market for luxury recreational vehicles. With the goal of fusing the well-known performance and elegance of Jaguar with the roomy comfort and cutting-edge technology of an upscale mobile home. This idea is expected to be robust, intelligent, and surprisingly roomy, establishing a new standard for high-end road travel. A blend of presence and elegance. The appearance of the 2026 Jaguar VIP Motorhome, which is distinguished by a careful implementation of Jaguar's Kodo, soul of motion design concept, would surely be a remarkable departure from conventional RV designs. This would result in a powerful yet refined posture, flowing, elegant lines, and recognizable brand features like the large grille and characteristic LED lighting. For maximum aerodynamics, the vehicle's shape would be painstakingly sculpted, improving fuel economy and adding to its elegant and unified appearance. Premium metallic finishes and lightweight, high-quality composites would be essential to its construction, guaranteeing a clean, elegant look that discreetly alludes to its underlying power. In contrast to its large size, the design would probably try to convey agility, in keeping with Jaguar's dynamic history, rather than a heavy or unwieldy appearance. Its opulent appeal would be enhanced by subtly incorporated compartments and flush-mounted features that maintain the clean lines. A remarkably generous and perceptive haven. The interior of the 2026 Jaguar VIP Motorhome is where the true innovation will be most noticeable, as clever engineering and design will make the surprisingly spacious promise a reality. The cabin will provide an unmatched living experience, taking inspiration from custom residential rooms and the interiors of luxury yachts. Anticipate customized craftsmanship that meticulously emphasizes high-end materials, such as exotic wood veneers, hand-stitched leather, and custom-fabricated metal accents. The design would be extremely versatile and flexible, possibly including slide-outs or expandable portions that, when rolled out, greatly increase the interior volume and turn the vehicle from a small touring vehicle into a large, multi-zone living space. The smart element would be demonstrated via sophisticated, well-integrated technology. Everything would be intuitively managed by a powerful voice-activated AI system, including navigation, entertainment, ambient lighting, and climate management. Panoramic glass roofs would provide stunning views and a plenty of natural light, perhaps with electrochromatic dimming. The sleeping accommodations would provide the comforts of a five-star hotel, possibly with a king-size master suite, while the kitchen would be a gourmet area with upscale, integrated appliances. In every setting, a comfortable and connected experience would be guaranteed by cutting-edge entertainment systems, secure satellite connectivity, and sophisticated air and water filtration. Long trips would be astonishingly easy because to the cockpit's expected entirely digital dashboard, AI-powered driving assistance, and autonomous capabilities. Capability and performance. Strength above and beyond expectations. The 2026 Jaguar VIP Motorhome's strong feature would be derived from its powerful engine and sturdy underlying foundation. Although precise specifications are still unknown, it is conceivable to imagine a completely electric or extremely sophisticated hybrid electric drivetrain that is designed to provide both remarkable horsepower. Some concepts indicate outputs of 600 to 800 horsepower and a sizable driving range, possibly 400 to 600 miles on a single charge or tank. This would guarantee strong acceleration and a quiet, comfortable ride, mirroring the performance traits of Jaguar's high-end automobiles. The chassis, which probably incorporates cutting-edge air suspension technologies to easily absorb road irregularities, would be designed for outstanding stability, longevity, and an incredibly comfortable ride. Its adaptability would be greatly increased by features like sophisticated traction control and all-wheel drive, which would guarantee smooth handling on a variety of terrains. This motorhome would be a capable and pleasurable vehicle to drive in addition to being an opulent place to live thanks to its powerful, efficient power plant and advanced architecture.